Good morning to all of you, and once again, welcome to 1 week online faculty development program on effective use of ICT tools for teaching and learning. Now, let's start with the today's syllabus. I divided today's syllabus into two parts, part 1 and part 2. In part 1, I will discuss about Microsoft Word, that is word processing software, and then spreadsheet software, that is Microsoft Excel, in the next part. So let's start with the today's topic. So today we will discuss about introduction to word processing, then features of word processing, Microsoft Word, and then in the Microsoft Word software we will discuss about various tabs, various ribbons, that is home tab, insert tab, page layout, references, mailings, and review tab. So we will start with the first topic, that is introduction to the word processing. Word processing is an application program that allows you to create letters, reports, newsletters, tables, form letters, brochures, and web pages. An application program. In the last lecture, we discussed about types of software. So we discussed types of software, that is system software and application software. So word processors or Microsoft Word is a system application software. That means the software which is used by the end user. So we all are end users, so we will use that Microsoft Word software. So that's why it is called as an application program or application software, and it is mostly used to create letters, reports, newsletters, tables, form letters, brochures, and web pages. Using this application program, we can also add pictures, tables, charts into our documents. So and apart from that, there are various features. There is we can also check spelling and grammar. So I think most of the teachers are already aware about that software. So we will not much more concentrate on the that Microsoft Office. We will just discuss something basic aspects about the Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint, and then we will concentrate our next topic. So now let's start with the some basic features about the word processing software. So by the word processing softwares, we can use these options. We can create, edit, save, and print documents. Copy, paste, move, delete text within a document. You can format text such as font type, bold, italic, and underline. Create and edit tables. We can insert element from other software such as illustrations or photographs. We can we can check spelling and grammar, and there is another important function of word processor, that means we can create mail merge. We can also export files in the other formats like PDF and some other options. Now let's start with the software. So now this is the screen of Microsoft Word. I have already started and just I have pasted one paragraph to discuss something about. Now let's see the screen of the Microsoft Word. I already started. Once you start that software, you will get this type of screen, and let's see the some parts of the software. You will see here home, insert, page layout. These are called as a tab, and each tab there is a one list. This is called as a ribbon. So under home tab we have ribbon, and each ribbon is also divided with some sections, just like clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, editing. So these are the parts or sections of the ribbon. So we will only discuss some important features of the ribbons. We will only discuss some important features of the tab or menu, because mostly we are already aware about the Microsoft Word software. We will also discuss something about just like citations. Most of the teachers are not aware about the citation, so I will give some examples about how to insert a citation directly in APA format or some other formats. Now let's see the home page. We have clipboard, font, paragraph, styles, and editing. Now let's see one by one. Just like I had typed one paragraph and one heading. Now, just a copy cut paste, we are already know about that. If you want to make a copy of the text, you just select the text, then make a copy, and wherever you want to put that text, you just put your cursor there and click on paste. And cut, that means if you want to move that text from one place to another place, you just select the text and then click on cut button and put the cursor where you want to move the text and then press paste on click on paste, so you will get the content. So that is the option of copy, cut and paste. Apart from that, we also have another section in the home ribbon, that is font. Font, that means you just select the font and then you can change the style of the font, you can change the size of the font. You can make the text bold, italic, underline. You can change the color of the text. You can make the background of the text. You can change the color of the background of the text. So these are the another options about the font section in the home ribbon. Now apart from that, we also have another section, that is paragraph. So just select the text, there is alignment option. You can make the text, right now it is uh, aligned to the left, you can align into center, then right. If you are typing, if you have paragraph, then you can make justify paragraph. You just select the paragraph and click on the justify, so your paragraph will be justified. Then you can also put line gaps, that means the space between the two line spacing, space between the two lines. You can also increase and decrease those options. You can put bullets, there are various types of bullets. You can add numbers in the various formats, numbers. And apart from that, there is a styles, that means ready-made options. You just click on any type of style and font, and some style will be applied to your text. Just now I just clicked here, so the same style will be applied here. So that is the home ribbon. Now let's see the next ribbon, that is insert. Insert, that means you can add something into the insert, that means you can add something into the text. Now let's see first one, that is here we also have some sections, pages, tables, illustrations, links, header, footer, text and symbols. Now let's first one, that is pages. If you are going to prepare some kind of reports, you can add a cover page. So there are various templates here, so you just select any kind of template, click on there, you will get ready-made template. You just put the name of your report, year, whatever option you want, and you will get the first page as ready-made as a cover page. Okay. Now apart from that, we have very important feature of the Microsoft Word or word processing software, that means tables. You can put a table into the documents. So there is a rows and columns. You just decide the number of rows and columns and select and just click, your table will be withdrawn. Now once our cursor is within the table, you will get a different menu, that is design of that design of that table. So there are various design of that table. You just click, you will get the ready-made design of that table. And if you want to add more columns and rows, you just select the column, click on right, insert. You have option to insert column to the right, column to the right, column to the left, and insert rows above and below. So there are various options in the option. Okay, now let's see once again. We will we will come back to the insert menu. Now we have another section in the insert tab, that is illustrations. If you want to put any picture from our computer system, you just click on the picture and select the required picture and double click or insert. So your picture will be added to the your document. You can make resize. You can make resize. There are once you click the picture, you will get a separate picture tool menu. Now here we have a lot of options. You can make frame or some other styles, shadow and all those things. So you can change the brightness and contrast of the picture. So there are various features of that option. Now come to again picture. Apart from that clip art, you can add clip art. Suppose if you wish to put any kind of clip art, you just type option what kind of clip art you need and click go. So you will get the pictures. You just click, your clip art will be added in the documents. Now we also have shapes. If you want to draw some kind of shape, if you are required to draw this any type of shape, you just click on that shape and draw. Once you draw click on that shape, you will get the some options about that shape. Okay, now we have smart art we need to create. If you want to get some kind of to create a tree diagram or some any other option, so there is a smart art. Just click OK. The smart art will be automatically created. You just put your text, put your text, put your text, and again there is a separate design menu. You can change the size, change the color, and other options will be activated automatically. Come to insert chart. We need charts and graphs. So there are various charts and graphs. You just select any type of chart. Okay. To insert a chart, you need a table. So automatically now that table is created. Now as per table, you change the requirement of the table, automatically the chart will be changed. So now the chart is inserted. Now apart from that, you can add header and footers. Header, that means on the top of the page, and footer in the that is bottom of the page. Header, that means if you want to add any kind of heading at the top of the page. So here just like notes for students, so that will be continued from the each and every page. Then footer, that means we can put page numbers at the bottom of the page. So once we go in each and every page, you will get the those header and footers. Now apart from that, we have word arts. You just click on that any type of style and put your text where text will be inserted as per that requirement. Now if you are a science teacher, you need to draw various equations. So there is a separate option for to create equations. If you need some specific symbol, so there is also option of symbols. So there are various symbols. You just click on that symbol and put insert. Your symbol will be added in the document. So these are the basic aspects about the insert tab. Now let's see page layout. Now we have themes, page setup, page background, paragraph and arrange. So we will discuss only important sections only. So page setup, we have margins. You can set margin of your documents. Custom margin is there at the top, bottom, left, right. Then you can put your document as portrait or landscape. And then we have orientation, the same thing, portrait and landscape. Paper size, what kind of paper size we need. Widely mostly we use A4 or letter size. You can add columns, one column, two column, three column. If you need to add more columns, then we have another option, that is more columns. Page color, if you want to change any kind of, if you want to put any kind of color in the documents, you can use that software. Border option is there. If you want to add any kind of border, there is art also. If you want to create any kind of another option, you can add these things also. So these are the important options in the page layout option. Now let's see references. We have table of content, footnotes, citations and bibliography, captions, index and table of authorities. In this option, I would like to show you only the important aspect, that is citation and bibliography. As all of you know, we need to enter whenever we go for to apply for research paper publication. The organizers of conference or publishers ask us to submit papers with the citations as per different styles. Mostly widely used citation styles are APA, that is American Psychological Association style, and some other styles are also available. That means for if you are having languages teacher, that you need to prepare your paper as per MLA. But mostly we prefer in the mostly publishers and organizations prefer for the American Psychological Association. Now let's see, we will here I will discuss something of how to put citations in the document. Suppose take an example, in the citation option, just add new source. Suppose I am going to insert any citation of a journal article in my journal, so I will put here. Suppose there is a one author, suppose John. Okay, title of the paper is Study of ICT Teaching. Name of journal, Journal of ICT Teaching. Now year in which the paper was published, suppose that is 2018. Now page number, whatever article I am referring, I am going to cite in my paper, so I will put some sample numbers, series, and then I will press OK. So I just now I will write the another aspect, that's as per article so on. So we will write those things, and after completion of that sentence, then again I will insert one more citation. Suppose right now here I am going to take some kind of book. So title is ICT in Education 2010, city, Delhi, publisher, Star Publications. Then I will set OK. Then again I will add the text about that. Now after adding in this way, suppose after I added, I can add apart from that. Again I am going to again I have to cite about John. Then I have to just select John, and then again I will write the topic. After that, if we at the last, as we know that in the research paper, in the last we add references or bibliography. Now it is very simple. If you want to put bibliography in the format of APA, just select APA, go to insert citation, and sorry, just here bibliography, just go to the bibliography and insert bibliography. So your bibliography will be formatted as per the specific guidelines. Right now just I have taken here APA. So now references are automatically cited, and once you submit the paper, they are also required to references or bibliography should be in alphabetical order. So automatically the text, automatically the references will be assigned as per the alphabetical order. So that is also one of the important feature as far as the researchers are concerned. Now in the mailing, we have mail merge option. For mail merge, I have separate the video, so I will share after that. So it is also one of the important feature of the Microsoft Word software. There is also a review menu. In the review, spelling and grammar is there. Once you click the spelling and grammar, you will get the features of spelling and grammar. Then if you want to put a comment on any topic, you can insert comments from this option. View option is here. You can view different documents here, and these are the important aspects and important features of Microsoft Word. There is also a button here if you want to save your file, if you want to print your file, if you wish to get see the print preview, if you want to save as a PDF. So all other all aspects of that software is available here. So right now just I have given here only the brief introduction part of Microsoft Word. As far as the detailed information is concerned, I will also share some videos and ebooks on that topic, and shortly I will also share you the next part of that today's syllabus, that is Microsoft Excel. So once again, thanks all of you. Thank you very much.